Dimension 3822, an advanced society where people are gifted with extraordinary talents once they turn 18. The virtuosos, limitless, creative, and extremely artistic. Whether it's music, dance, literature, visual arts, or drama, everyone has a role to fit in. Each of us is meant to dream and have something to be passionate about. But, you see, I don't believe in some things such as fate, or coincidences, or miracles. Because I believe that good and beautiful things are something you make with your own hands and choices.
Mai, Mai, what's wrong?
I'm I'm kind of nervous. You know, stage jitters.
Every participant will showcase their very own greatest, extraordinary, and unique gifts. At dahil dyan, Virtuoso Speaks. Handa na ba kayo?
Ayun partner, narinig ko na ang kanilang mga liyaw. Mukhang handang-handa na sila. Ano pa bang hinihintay natin?
Tara't simulan na natin.
Palakpakan natin ang unang grupo na
Maiza! Malapit na magsimula yung call! Bumaba ka na nga dito!
Let's go na! Everyone's waiting na sa wheeling ko.
Hello!
Happy birthday!
Hi! Happy birthday!
To each and everyone,
To the Dante family, to the friends, and to all the guests we are with to celebrate this noteworthy moment. Today is a huge day to celebrate the 18th birthday of our most beloved friend, Maiza. And we can't wait for you to be part of these performances too. So, without further ado, for our first performer of the night, let's give it up for Noah and Swan!
Happy birthday, Maisa!
And now, let's give it up for Johan!
Hi, Maisa. Happy birthday. And eto pala yung regalo ko sa'yo. Tinatapos ko na. Finish.
Next up, we have our favorite band, Celeste and the Heptagon.
Starting na yung recording, guys. Say hi to Maisa! Hi, Maisa! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Maisa! Sana magustuhan mo yung inihanda naming kanta for you.
Yes!
Sumikat na ang araw, darating na ang regalo, sindihan na ang kandila. Bata tumatanda na, kumilos maghanda na, maligayang kaarawan.
Ate, punta na ako sa CR ah.
O nak, mas kabado ka pa sa magpo-perform ah. Liza, nak, may problema ba? Ayos ka lang?
Guys,
Alam mo, sobrang naging pasasalamat ko when I was given my gift. I've always loved dancing. Sobrang saya ko kaya noon. Pero alam mo kung anong pinakamahalaga para sa akin ngayon?
ano po?
Kayo. Yung pamilya natin. Feels like a great honor to be a mother. Especially for a daughter like you. Gusto kong iparamdam sa inyo na nandito ako palagi. Na pwede niyo akong lapitan sa kahit anumang oras. My arms will always be free to give you warm hugs, anak. So kung ano man yung problema mo, just so you know, I'm always here for you, ha?
When I watched them perform, I couldn't help but think, what if I wouldn't be as amazing as they are? What if I can't use my gift at its full potential? Tingnan mo sila. Sobrang passionate at masaya sila sa ginagawa nila. Natatakot ako na baka hindi ko magamit na maayos at hindi ko magustuhan yung gift ko. I don't want to be different from all of you.
Mai, I know that you're nervous. And I just want to let you know that everyone has their own gifts. And it's not always about how you can be instantly good at your gifts. Ito pa nga lang. Being open and honest with everyone is not something that everyone can easily do. At isa pa, ang pagtatanghal ay isang ekspresyon ng damdamin. It's how we let the world know about what we feel, about our emotions, and what's inside this. Hindi mo kailangan maging perfecto o maging mas mahusay sa talento mo. All you need to do is to be honest with yourself and with everyone because performing and using our gifts is our way to connect with each other. Yung saya, takot, sakit na meron tayo. Gusto mo ba mag-carpet pa ako sa harap mo ngayon habang umiiyak para mag-gets mo eh? If your gift is related to music, remember that I will always support you kahit hindi mo pa naman sa akin ang pagsasayaw. Basta sa gabi,
Sa ibang bahay ka muna makikitulog. Tara.
Okay, it's my turn naman. Naalala ko noong una kaming magkakilala ni Maiza. Nasa elementarya pa lamang kami noon at tila bordado ng tinta ang kanyang kamay at uniforme. Simulat sa puli-inaamin ko na sa lahat ng mga babaeng estudyante roon ay nakala kong si Maiza ang may pinakamasamang budhi. Dahil sa bawat pagsulat sa kanya ng kanyang katabi sa uniforme, ay ganun din ang kanyang pagbawi. Dinaig pa si Johan kung mangguhit. Pero nang nilipat si Maiza bilang katabi ko at nakilala ko ng lubos, doon ko napagtanto na tama nga ang hinala ko. Si Maiza lang ang nakilala kong kaibigan na handa akong ipagpalit para sa 1/2 sheet of paper.
Yari!
Alam mo, ang ingay mo.
Sakit ang mong nakakatuwa.
Katawa naman to, wagas. Perform.
Paborito nating banding doon, kung naalala mo pa, ay paiyakin ng kuya mo noong nagkamali siya ng pagupit at nakatulog sa barbero.
Ang funny nila, grabe.
Pero si Maiza ang tangi naming kaibigan na nagawang basahay ng lahat ng aking obra kahit bago ko pa malaman ang aking regalo. Sinubaybayan ang mga band practice ni Celeste at Heptagon. Kasamang umiyak ni Scarlett sa panonood ng mga teleserye. Ang dakilang statwa ni Johan kapag kinakailangan ng modelo at taga-film ng mga dance cover ni No What's One. Pero higit sa lahat, sinamahan kami ni Maiza sa bawat pagkatalo at tagumpay namin sa buhay. Bago pa namin malaman ang regalo ng isa't isa, siya ang isa sa mga taong nagpaalala sa amin kung gaano kami ka-espesyal. Kaya naman, Maiza, hayaan mo na sa araw na ito ay ganun din ang maiparamdam namin sa iyo. Happiest 18th birthday, Mai, and we love you so much.
Oras na! Ito na yung cake! Bublo na tayo ng candle! O, sige, pwesto na. Dali! Ayan, sisilyan ko lang. Sandali, Sandali. Ayan na! Oras na para i-blow ang candle at malaman ang regalo ni Maiza. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ayan.
Make a wish, Maiza. Wait lang po, Dad. Ito na po.
Get your guitar, now. After so much waiting, finally, I thought nakalimutan mo na ang iyong ama at itong training natin for today. Or have you?
Of course not. Dad,
Huwag mong sabihing susuko ka na. After what? A week of practice? If you knew how much I had to go through noong panahon ko para ma-reach ko ang level of expertise at makapasok sa A-list, nako, you will be thankful that I'm the one teaching you. Sinasabi ko sa iyo yan. Well, are we going to train or what? At nang malaman na rin natin kung ano talaga ang regalo mo sa music. Remember what I taught you yesterday, okay? Let's start from that. No. Start with
wait. Let me try again.
the other
I
one.
know.
Ano ba, Maiza, ha? Let me show you again. But this time, tingnan mo na maigi. you doing?
I don't know. They just...
Did you just dance? To my music? I can't believe this! I'm right here trying to teach you how to, not even to master, ha? Since hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin paramdam yang talento mo! My God! This is my last chance to have someone in this family other than me to be part of the A-list. And she hasn't even know what her gift is.
God.
No. I won't hear any more excuses. We will wrap this up for today. Tomorrow, you have to get it together, Maiza, or else.
Dad, please. If you let me try...
Maiza, you have to take this seriously.
I am taking this seriously. It's just...
See? See? You can't even seem to focus because of your phone at kung ano pa mang ibang pinagkakabalahan mo ron. That's it. Tomorrow, we'll start over.
Hey, sis!
Hi, sis. Hope, ano na naman?
Grabe, paano mo yan? Hindi ba pwedeng na-miss ka lang namin?
Agreed. Alam mo, miss ka lang talaga namin, Mai.
Diba? Ang plastic nyo. Would we really live in the same house?
Still!
Oo na. So ano nga?
Well... Narinig kasi namin yan.
Oh, tapos?
And, you know what? May point si Dad eh.
So true ba? Alam nyo, kung mga asa lang kayo, save it. I'm not going to save it!
Don't be mad, okay? It's not our fault na hanggang ngayon, di mo pa rin alam ang specific gift mo.
Mike's right. Alam mo, minsan na nga lang tayo makapag-bonding eh.
Bonding? Wow! You call this bonding?
Well, inisipin mo nga naman. Ikaw na lang natitirang andante para makapasok sa A-list. And, Maiza, trust me, you would want to be part of the A-list.
Who says I don't want to?
Duh! You're acting like you don't want to.
Action speaks louder than word, Miles. At mukhang hindi ka talaga interesado. If we were given a chance again, which is impossible, unfortunately, you know what? I would be so over the moon.
You know, I really wanted to be a part of this. I can't believe that you're wasting this opportunity, Miles.
Hindi ko sinasayang to opportunity na to. Why are you acting like I'm not doing my best for this chance?
Because this used to be our dream too, and you are not doing enough.
Exactly.
Oh, to be part of it, these words were woven by golden song, brought to life by melodies. No remedy, but a spot in the air.
What a shame. These songs with the rhymes, this is the people's fancy. But no, another fellow win who was just a little bit better than me. Us, I mean. Giddy up, we're calling all the voices, joining all the forces. Now we about to open the gates for us
And enter the hall, placing on wall our faces.
We can paint these canvases with use from places all around as we call each other's name in an echoing sound. A place to direct, cutting the scenes for the next ones. Slide through the dance floor, ride the last horse, break a leg and make it sharp.
Sink every last groove,
it's not a secret to hide.
We know we'll make it to the end. We are above, we're a different playlist. The songs we make with the rhymes, the melody sounds, the harmony chimes. Let's go and make it to the end.
Diyan ka naman, Miza.
Oh, galing mo para makapunta sa Aries, ah.
Happy birthday, Scar!
Happy birthday, Mams!
Pakis niyo sa aming birthday celebrant.
Happy birthday, Scar.
생일 축하해.
Happy birthday, Scar!
Happy birthday!
Thank you, Sel. Thank you, Mai. Kamusta ang aming birthday celebrant? Excited ka na ba sa magiging gift mo?
Okay lang naman, Sel. Medyo kinakabahan lang. Alam mo naman kung anong gusto ko, di ba?
Nako. Hindi magandang stress para sa birthday girl ngayon, be. Huwag mo masyado alalahanin ang makukuha mong gift. We all know what you'll get.
Pero paano kung ibang makuha ko? Ever since I was a child, acting na ang pangarap kong makuha as a gift. Hindi ko alam ang magiging reaksyon kapag hindi yun ang nakuha ko.
Chillax ka lang dyan, Moms.
Mamaya, pupuntahan ka namin dyan ng barkada.
Hanggang ngayon, di niya pa rin alam kung anong gagawin niya sa gift niya.
Bakit di ka tumulad kay Scarlett, ha, Maisa?
Oo nga.
Nabalita mo ba na nagpasa na siya ng application para sa bagong palabas na One for All ba yun?
Buti pa siya na ginagamit niya yung impossible gift niya. Hindi ka tulad ng iba dyan. Nako.
Alam mo, halika na.
Iniinit dito.
Ang ingay mo.
Bakit ba? Walang pake.
Tanghali pa lang, oh. Bunganga mo. Ano ba? Naunahan pa ako.
Nako.
May.
Ang bagay mo naman.
Sige, Scar. Maya na lang ulit. May gagawin pa ako eh. Happy birthday ulit. Dad! I want to put my gift to the test. Do you think you have time to rehearse with me po? Just like the old times. At saka nga po pala, nalalapit na rin po yung Clash of Gifts. Balak ko pong sumali. I still don't have a team, but I hope you'll think of it was in idea. After this contest din po, may possibility na yung mga winners ay makasama sa Hall of Famers. Sa English po. Dad, your dream po. Chance ko na rin po ito para mapatunayan sa sarili ko.
Ay, Mary. Paano na ang anak nating si Miza? Hindi niya pa rin nadidiscover gift niya eh. We have two children who already didn't make it to the A-list.
Hindi mo ba masyadong pinapahirapan anak mo?
Napahirapan. We have multiple trainings. I have given her multiple chances. And still, she always fails me. Hindi niya pa rin alam ang gift niya. Buti pa si Celeste. Yung gift niya, alam na niya. Paano alam natin?
Tutulungan naman kita, Shin. Magkasama tayo rito eh. Huwag mo lang akong iwan.
I would gladly accept your offer, pero alam mong hindi pa tayo legal sa side mo. Hindi mo pa nga ako mapakilala sa pamilya mo eh. Ano ba kasing hindi mo sinasabi sa akin?
And cut! Uwi na! May nanalo na! Ikaw naman, Scar, masyado mong ginagalingan. Eh, nasa-pipilit pangalan tayo, pero on point na agad yung emotions.
Ikaw naman, Faith. Masyado mo naman ako pinag-uwi. Alam mo naman, first, gusto kong ipakita sa kanila lahat na hindi sila magsisisi sa pag-feeling nila sa akin.
Oh, siya. Sige, after natin dito, ayayin natin si Marisa for dinner. Tapos na rin siguro yung training niya by that time. Tingin.
O sige, tagal na rin natin dito yung babae. And then ako, masyadong pasmusan yung training para doon sa class.
Sige, tawagan lang natin siya. Video call.
Okay.
Hi, Mai! Busy ka?
Ayain ka sana namin for dinner.
Sorry guys, nag-training pa kasi ako eh.
Training pa rin? Anong oras na? Ayaw mo lang kaming makasama eh.
Umamin ka nga, Mai. Iniiwasan mo ba kami? May problema ba?
It's not like I want to do this. Pero nakaka-pressure kasi kasama sila papa eh. You don't even have any idea.
Bakit? Ano bang meron?
Oo nga, ikwento mo naman sa amin.
Hindi pa rin ba kayo nagkakahint man lang? Ha? Scarlett? Paige? I really appreciate both of you doing this for me, but now is not really the time and I am not in for it.
Oh, maayos naman kami nakikipag-isok dito ah. Bakit tumataas naman yata yung tono ng boses mo?
Oo nga, Mai. We're just inviting you for dinner, oh. We're hoping din na makasama ka sa amin para naman makapag-blend out ka rin ng problems mo kahit paano.
Hindi niyo talaga magigets kasi no one's disappointed with you. Unlike me, na ikukumpara pa sa ibang tao para lang mapatunayan kung paano ko nag-fail bilang anak.
We understand your situation. Pero sana, maintindihan mo rin na hindi mo kasalanan ng mga nangyayari at mas lalong hindi mo hawak ang nararamdaman ni Tito for you.
Ay nako.
Hindi ko na hawak ang tadhana. Paano ba kasi maging tulad nila? Isa akong piraso sa isang bugtong napabahala kayo kaya'y magtitiwala. Balot ko ba'y bubuksan?
Trying to teach you how to, not even to master. Since hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin paramdam yang talento mo.
Sakop sa piling kung ako ang tatanungin, di makukumpleto ang bugtungan kung ito ay kulang pa rin.
When did we grow apart? Mas okay pa ng mga bata tayo eh. Masaya lang at walang gulo. Hindi ko kakayaan na mas lalong lumawa ang kawagat natin sa isa't isa.
Oscar, napatawag ka.
Gusto ko lang kayo yayain lumabas. Tinawagan ko rin si Celeste at pumayag na siya. Kaso hindi siya magtatagal kasi raw may practice siya sama ang heptagon.
Kasi Maiza, natawagan mo na rin ba?
No. I haven't done with that. Alam mo naman ang nangyari, di ba? Sigurado rin ako na tatanggi na naman si Maiza at sasabihin may training siya.
Don't be like that, Star. Alam naman natin na hindi rin ginusto ni Maiza na hindi makasama sa atin. Alam natin yung pressure na nakuha niya sa pamilya niya. Lalong-lalo na sa dad niya. Maybe she just had too much that day, kaya nga nasabi niya.
You're right, Paige.
We just can't leave Maiza all alone. She needs us. Lalo na ngayon na malapit na yung Clash of Gifts. Ganito na lang. Let's go out as we planned, and I'll call Maiza.
Okay. Pagkita na lang tayo sa coffee shop na madalas natin puntahan.
Okay, see you.
Hello?
Umiiyak ka ba? Are you okay, Mai?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. It's nothing new. So, what's up?
I just wanted to know if you're free right now. Tara, labas tayo.
Sure. Mukhang kailangan ko rin yan. Magbibihis lang ako, then I'll meet you at your house. Nga pala, I just want to apologize sa nangyari last time. Hindi ko alam, bigla na lang ako.
Hey, shh. It's okay. I completely understand. What's important right now is that you're free. So, dress up, and we'll talk about it later, okay? Don't worry about it.
Okay. I'll see you all later.
Okay.
I'm glad you joined us, Mai.
Wala rin kasi akong training ngayon, tsaka Paige called over.
Yeah, who could forget? Your training is more important to you, right?
Celeste?
What?
I should have text ko. No, Mai, stay. Come on, Celeste. We're not here to start a new fight.
We're friends, remember? We're supposed to understand each other.
Tama si Paige. It's been a while since our last meeting. Mahinahon na tayong lahat, kaya mas makakapag-usap na tayo ng maayos.
I know na this past few weeks I've been a bad friend to all of you and that I've hurt your feelings. Alam ko naman na hindi sapat na rason yung training ko para tratuhin ko kayo ng ganun. I'm really sorry. It's just that the pressure is really getting to me. Ang daming bagay na pumapasok sa isip ko at hindi ko na siya makontrol. Kasi gusto ko lang naman na maging proud sila dad sa akin, pati yung buong family ko. Kaso hindi ko rin maramdaman na masaya ako sa ginagawa ko eh. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry for being miserable and pathetic that led me to be a bad friend. It's not you, obviously. It's me. I will not make an excuse for that. Kahit na ano pang itrato nila sa akin, kahit pa naikumpara nila ako sa inyo, paulit-ulit. Alam ko na hindi sapat yun para sa inyo ko impose yung galit ko sa mundo, pati na rin sa sarili ko. I should have known na it's not you against me. Kasi I shouldn't have seen you as a threat. Hindi ko nga dapat naisip yun simula pa lang eh. Pero, to be honest, it's me against myself. Kaya I'm really sorry. Kasi sa kagustuhan ko na maging proud sa akin sila, dati ko na nakalimutan ko na nasisira ko na pala yung friendship natin eh. Sana patawarin niyo ako and sana bigyan niyo ako ng chance na ayusin yung pagkakaibigan natin, ayusin yung sarili ko.
I admit that you did hurt our feelings, Mai, but I also want to apologize. Naging close-minded ako. Akala ko kasi naiintindihan ko yung nararamdaman mo. Akala ko kasi... I'm so sorry. Oo, iniintindihan ko yung nararamdaman ko kaysa yung pinagdaraanan mo. I'm really sorry.
Nandito lang kami lagi para sa'yo, Mai. Hindi ka mag-iisa, okay?
Tama si Paige. Mga kaibigan mo kami, kaya we always got your back. Kapag may problema ka, nandito lang kami. Handang makinig at dumamay sa'yo sa pagdala mo ng problema mo. Hindi mo kailangan kimkimin mag-isa.
Thank you guys all. Gagawin ko kapag wala kayo.
Baka mabaliw kami.
Thank you.
I miss you guys.
Why am I standing here again?
I told you, Mai. We'll figure out the true nature of your gift.
So, let's think.
Musical notes ang lumabas during your birthday. Ibig sabihin, may kinalaman sa music.
Oh, teka. Maybe, you're like your dad. Di ba, guys?
Totoo. What if, try mo yung mga instrument dito? Di ba?
Idea!
Good idea.
Go, Mai.
Wait. Let's see. Do it, man. No luck on instruments too.
Just try singing.
Can you try singing as a backup for Celeste when it comes to the song?
Let's try this. Hindi mo ng dilim, buksan mo ang ilaw. Hindi naman... No. Okay, let's try this again. Hindi mo ng dilim, buksan mo ang ilaw. Hindi naman hingin, may umiiyak, hindi ko hinahapin. Natulog kahit gusto mo sabihan. What's happening, Mai?
The musical notes. There are musical notes swirling around my body, and whenever there's music, and it's guiding me to dance.
amazing! I don't even know how to explain it!
Oh my god, I think we found the answer! You start to dance as soon as you hear music!
Maybe na your specific gifts are musically responsive movements and heightened emotional response. Yes. You can even make others dance with you. Finally, I feel like I'm complete. Hindi ko na kailangan gumaya sa ibang tao. Thank you guys. I love you.
Congrats, Mom!
Congrats!
Happy kami sa'yo. I have an idea!
Ano?
What if sumama ka sa amin mag-perform ng heptagon? Surely there you can show off your gift, right?
Exactly.
That's a great idea. Let's do this! Let's go!
Dahil malapit nang sumapit ang gabi. Well, Virtuosos of Dimension 3822, gising pa ba kayo?
Mukhang gising na gising silang lahat, partner. Wala akong naririnig ni isang humihilik at sino ba naman na magtatangkang humilik ngayon? Lalo na nandito tayong lahat ngayong gabi para masaksihan ang
Walang iba kundi ang annual search for the gifted people na pinaka-inaabangan ng lahat taon-taon. Ito ang
Clash of Gifts, where every participant will showcase their very own greatest, extraordinary, and unique gifts. At dahil dyan, Virtuoso Speaks, handa na ba kayo?
Ayan partner, narinig ko na ang kanilang mga hiyaw. Mukhang handang-handa na sila. Ano pa bang hinihintay natin?
Tara't simulan na natin.
Palakpakan natin ang unang grupo na magpapakita ng kanilang naturang mga regalo at nagbabagang talento.
Let the dance battle begin. Sons of Prochorus versus
Sailor Lassies.
Talaga nga namang nakakagising ng diwa yung performances ng dancers natin, partner. At unang-una pa lang, pinag-init na agad nila yung stage.
Grabe! Wala akong masabi. O, kayo, kaya nyo ba yon? O kasi hindi ko kaya yun eh.
At nagsisimula pa lang tayo, Virtuosos. Ang susunod na grupo naman na mag-perform sa atin ay magbibigay kulay sa ating gabi dahil sila ay mga visual artists.
Now, show us what you got. State artists versus
Art Wizards.
Grabe. Wala na akong masabi kundi grabe. Nasa pangalawang category pa lang tayo. Pero grabe ng pasig laban, partner.
Grabe na talaga yung mga pasabog ng performers natin, partner. Halatang ayaw nila tayong binibitin.
Makapigil hininga talaga, tignan nyo. Kakaiba talaga.
At marami pa tayong masasaksihang performances under different categories. Meron tayo sa drama, sa writing, and may music pa, partner.
Kaya niyo pa ba, Virtuosos? Ako kasi parang hindi na eh.
Ano ka ba, partner? Kailangan nating kayanin to.
Tama ka riyan, partner. Kailangan nating kayanin para sa mga Virtuosos. Kaya ngayon naman, tawagin na natin ang mga susunod na performers. Ano bang gagawin ng mga susunod na performers natin dyan, partner?
Ang susunod naman na performers natin ay manggagaling sa grupo ng mga writers. Bibigyan natin sila ng isang tema at gagawa sila ng storya mula doon sa loob lamang ng 5 minuto. Akalain mo yun, partner, limited time. Pero wait, there's more dahil pagkatapos magsulat ng mga writers ay i-act naman ng susunod na performers under the drama category ang mga naisulat nila.
Wow! Pinapakinggan ko palang ikinikilabutan na ako, partner. Sobrang challenging yata nun para sa mga writers at actors natin.
Totoo yan, partner, but I'm sure kayang-kaya nila yan. Kaya wag na natin patagalin pa to, partner.
Well, I hear you, partner. So now, let's give them a round of applause. Let's welcome our group of writers. Verso Pugasha versus
Clementus Knights. Ngayon ay tapos na ang writers natin, partner.
Kung tapos na ang writers natin, dapat lang nabigyan buhay ng mga actors at isinulat nilang mga istorya.
Kaya naman ipagdasal natin na sana kayanin nila ang challenge na ibigay sa kanila.
Well, wala nang urungan ito.
And here are the performers under the drama category. Alad Theater Kids versus
Lakambili ng Tala. Again, let's give them a round of applause.
Isang sikat na singer ay di umanong sinabotahe raw sa kanyang mismong concert? Ang trending sa social media ngayon na virtual concert ng isang kilalang singer dito sa Pilipinas ay nagkaroon daw ng sabotage.
I can almost see it, that dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My fate is shaking, but I gotta keep trying.
Ayon sa isang fan, may inilabas daw na checklist na iperperform ang singer para magsilbing guide kung kailan sila lalabas sa screen para sa fanchant ng isang kanta. Sapagkat bigla na lamang nag-black screen ang paligid kasama ng pagtigil ng backtrack habang kumakanta ang singer. Kitang-kita ang gulat ng singer sa pangyayari. Hindi rin nagtagal at nag-trend ito sa social media. Narito ang panayam ng manager ng singer ayon sa nasabing issue.
We are still looking for what really happened with the concert and we are trying our very best. Clearly, all the things we have gathered by now lead us to the conclusion that it was sabotaged by one of the staffs, no? But don't worry, we will reach a statement and the compromise to the fans who were devastated with what happened. By now, we will track and keep an eye on our artist as this came to her shock. Thank you.
At yan ang ibabagang show balita ngayong gabi. Balita, magbabalita.
I, Tara,
Nikki,
Jean,
Sadie,
Queen, Sam,
promise
to take care of this friendship
and value it
above anything else.
I'm sorry for breaking the vow.
Siyempre hindi ako papayag na tarayan ako, no? Duh!
Of course, babe. Besides, you can call us naman.
Tama.
Hay nako. O siya, what if we play Killer Hunt? Tagal ko na rin di nalalaro yun eh. Napapagod na ako katatawa sa inyo.
G!
I think Red's the killer.
Feel ko rin.
Okay, game. Let's vote for Red na.
I knew it. Sabi na ikaw killer eh.
Duh! Muntik ko na kayong matalo kung hindi lang ako nahuli sa admin.
It's okay. Better luck next time and besides, doesn't matter naman kung natalo ka namin. Ang mahalaga, I enjoyed playing Killer Hunt with you.
Tara, let's play ulit. Gigi naman.
Wait lang guys may klase na kasi kami.
Ano?
Oh, I see.
Sige na.
Chat kayo later pag available na kayo. Tara, tayo muna.
G! Days and days have passed. I already knew that these feelings will last.
Thanks for hanging out with me. Sorry, baka naabala pa kita.
No biggie. Wala lang to, no? Parang wala namang araw na hindi tayo nag-uusap.
You know, if all of this isn't happening, I guess everything would be different.
Pikarumili. Sobrang late na pala kasi maaga pa pala ako.
Ganun ba? Di mo naman sinabi agad, te. Sorry.
Oh, it's my bad. Nalimutan ko rin kasi. Good night, Millie. I'll talk to you later.
Oh, okay. Sleep well.
Hey I heard na bukas na ang mga museum sa Manila.
Tara na agad!
Oh my God, we really deserve this break. Everyone please say yes.
Set na!
I'm sorry for breaking the vow.
Grabe! Paulit-ulit na lang ako sa salitang grabe dahil roller coaster ang ipinakitang emotion sa acting ng mga actors. Woo! Napakapit ako sa galing nila, partner. Diyos ko!
Totoo yan, partner, pero roller coaster din kaya ang ipapadama sa atin ng ating huling dalawang performers?
Hindi ko alam, partner, pero ang alam ko, ang dalawang grupo na ito ay may inhandang kanta raw para sa atin.
At ngayon, una na nating pakinggan ang
Henchmen of Notes.
with trembling voices, splitting lights in different choices, strumming strings to move until rest. Hold on tight, we're about to go again and again. Burning heart, the tiger figured it out. Riding horses, different causes, sweeping broken tracks.
Gates will close, but we will host tonight. Now we're here, facing fear.
Never blinded, never sore.
Follow me, reach the spear.
'Cause we're stronger than before. Dancing in every beat, feeling every rhythm flow. And we go.
Nararamdaman ko na yung pagkadismaya ko, partner.
Ha? Partner? Ba't ka naman biglang nadismaya?
Nadidismaya ako dahil nasa huling performers na tayo. Ibig sabihin, patapos na tayo sa Ride of Magical Experience na ibinigay sa atin ng mga performers.
Huwag kang ganyan, partner. I'm sure magiging sulit ang huling performance natin at bubusugin tayo ng huli nating performer. Kasi nga, di ba, sabi nila, save the best for last.
Tama ka riyan, partner. I think we should just look forward to it and tignan natin kung ano ba ang itinatago nitong last performers natin.
The long wait is over, Virtuoso Peeps!
Ito na ang grupo ng kabataang pinakahinihintay ng lahat. Let's all hear it from none other than Heptagon!
Himok ng dilim, buksan mo ang ilaw. Hindi naman dinig, ba't may humihiyaw? Kinukuli, hinahapit, natulog kahit gustong sumayaw. Pinilit mang gawin sekreto ang hiling na makilala at sumulat ng gising. Agad na malalaman na tila pag lumuwag na ang piring. Pinipinta, hinahanda, isulat bawat pahina. Hindi na itatago na makita niyong lahat. Hahataw at aawit sa tunog ng mga banda. Kung tadhana ay tanghalan, ay hindi na ako wawalay pa.
My gosh, I'm so proud of you, Mai.
Thank you! I wouldn't be able to do it kung hindi dahil sa inyo. You know, I'm proud of you too, right?
Of course we do, ate. Eh ngayon, ano na po bang balak niyo?
Ay, hindi ko talaga alam. Kasi, I still feel pressured about this whole A-list thing eh.
I-announce na rin maya-maya ang winner, kaya ka siguro kinakabahan ng ganyan. But didn't you notice how you made our audience feel our music right back there? Magaling ka, Maiza. Huwag ka lang masyadong magpapalamon sa pressure and, believe in yourself.
Yo, kanin pa ba kayo dito? Gosh, sorry na ipagkulitan pa kasi ako sa family ko kanina eh. Buti nakataas ako agad, kaya...
Hindi naman. Wala pa nga sina Jello at Ace eh. Nakauwi na ba sila?
Sesh, yung silent voice pa pala yung kulang. Pero I think nakauwi na yun, baka napagkulitan lang at the moment.
Oh, ayun na nga.
Oh! Heyo! Heptagon! Haha!
Ang sarap talaga sa tenga ng boses mo, Ace. Magsalita ka nga palagi.
Chill mo boy, isang naman dyan.
Ha? Bakit ako?
Tulagin takot, kala mo kakainin.
Ito, huwag mong inaano si Jello. Wala man siya sinasabing kakainin mo siya, no? Pero natural lang na natatakot siya sa mukha mo.
Ay nako, change topic. Anong oras daw ba i-announce yung...
Teka lang. Dumating na yung result sa A-list. Okay. Greetings, Heptagon. We would like to congratulate you for being the winner under the music category. You're all included in the A-list, and with the recognition of Dimension 3822, you'll be able to establish any kind of association that you want. Sabi ko na we did it once again, guys. Congrats.
Ano mo to? Congratulations! I'm so proud of you, anak!
Alice, do you have a minute? We are offering that kasi for...
Help in setting your gift and improve your skills in order to become the best version of yourself. Tara!
Natulog kahit gustong